Sicon Courier integration is aimed at businesses requiring the ability to select available couriers at sales order dispatch and print labels ready for courier collection. Direct links to each courier removes the need to deploy middleware software, reducing costs and simplifying setup. Available as a standalone module, Sicon Courier integration will work alongside standard Sage 200 sales order dispatch process. With the addition of Sicon barcoding and warehousing, this further extends functionality to provide a full end-to-end pick, pack and dispatch process. When combined with Sicon documents, this enables users to email the dispatch note alongside the courier information and tracking number. Pre-configured PDF backgrounds and HTML templates allow businesses to fully brand these communications. Key features: fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Courier integration is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects to control the transaction posting and utilising the latest Microsoft technologies for user interface. Real-time data availability. Real-time data access ensures Sage 200 information is up to date and all in one place, meaning you don't need to access multiple data systems to see a clear view of the business. API technology utilises API technology for seamless integration with couriers. Key benefits: consignment information and a copy of the courier label is stored against the Sage 200 sales order. Link courier delivery services to sales order processing additional charges, enabling the delivery service to be defaulted and automatically selected when the delivery charge is added to the sales order. Options to set the default delivery service at sales ledger account level. When used with Sicon barcoding and warehousing, the option to print labels during sales order processing picking is available. No charges for labels, excluding Royal Mail Click and Drop who charge for labels printed. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.